So what do people do that have a bank account right now with CiBanco or Vector or Intercam? I mean, do they panic or do they not panic? What do you do? Because I was telling people to panic.
Yeah, I don't want to create undue panic because the Mexican governments have stepped in to, you know, basically take operational control of these banks. But think about this: if you're Intercam, your entire revenue model is based on monies coming in from the States and converting those into pesos. If 70% of your clients are Americans, and it's probably around that number, maybe a little higher, a little lower, and then overnight that revenue gets just chopped, then how long can the bank sustain that type of loss of revenue? Not long, right? So unless the Mexican government comes in to subsidize the banks, I don't see them making it more than a couple months without having to basically close up shop. They've got branches all over the country. They've got thousands of employees, and all of a sudden their revenue is cut by 70%. That just doesn't work on a long-term basis. So if they don't get this figured out incredibly quickly, I think it's the end of the bank. Do I want my money in a bank that sort of has the writing on the wall that there's a good chance it could be out of business in a few months? I personally wouldn't want my money there. I think we have some time. I don't think it's like, let's have a run on the banks and go get all of our money out. But I think it's something people need to pay close attention to and see how the situation evolves. And if it looks like it's getting worse and worse, I wouldn't want to have my money in a banking institution like that.